Fáilte Arash. In this video we're going to look at 5 new Irish verbs. I'm going to explain what they mean and I'm going to give you some sample sentences that you could use to go along with each verb. So let's start with this one here, which is Ahan. Ahan is the Irish verb for to recognise. Ahan. Dahan muid go raibh rud éigin cearr. We recognised that something was wrong. Dahan muid go raibh rud éigin cearr. Our next verb is Brewig. Brewig is the Irish verb to press or to push. Brewig. Bhrúig she an doras. She pushed the door. Bhrúig she an doras. Ná bí ag brew. Don't be pushing or don't be pressing. Ná bí ag brew. Our next verb is the Irish verb here, Quinnic. Quinnic means to keep. Quinnic. Quinnig amach is keep out. Quinnig amach. Quinnig de gab amach as mo gno. Keep your nose or keep your beak out of my business. Quinnig de gab amach as mo gno. Our next verb is Doig. Doig is the Irish verb to burn. Doig. Mar hampla. Tá siad ag dó. They are burning. Tá siad ag dó. Roig me muláv. I burnt my hand. Roig me muláv. I burnt my hand. Our next verb then is Agrig. Agrig. And this is to organise. Agrig. Toras Agratha is an organised tour. Toras Agratha. And if you wanted to say, I will organise a fun day, you could say this. Agróig me lá spree. I will organise a fun day. Agróig me lá spree. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments some of your favourite verbs along with some sentences to go with them. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you very soon when I'll be making another video. Slán go fóill.